Well, hello there, Retro PC Durham, Chris here, another unboxing video. So this is a purchase that I didn't think I was going to have to make, but I did. I recently got a new daily driver laptop, the ThinkPad P1 Gen 4, which I did a unboxing and a review for back in December. And unfortunately, the USB Pro dock that I've used for years and years, it won't work with that laptop. Being able to drive out all of the signals, the Ethernet, the HDMI, and all that stuff out to the two monitors I use on my desk. The laptop wants to do that through Thunderbolt, doesn't want to do it through USB, and it just causes problems. And I had the same problem with my work laptop as well. So going from my previous gen ThinkPad L13 Yoga, which was all USB-C, USB 3, I never had a problem with it. And my ThinkPad P71 before that, never had a problem with it. My old ThinkPad X1 Yoga, I think it was a second gen, never had a problem with it. But the new ones, they want one of these. They want a Thunderbolt dock. So I had to break down and get one. So here it is. We're going to open it up. It just arrived today from the good people at Lenovo. And okay, we're going to cut the seal. So this is the first time you'll see it. First time I'll see it. We're going to open it up here. We've got some warranty documentation. Yeah, no one ever reads that. All right, plastic packaging. It is, I guess this is maybe this is for whatever this is. Maybe this might be recyclable, but it'd be nice to see some of that better packaging get used by them going forward. Okay, so first thing we've got here is this cable. So this is the connection cables. Actually, I'm going to put this aside because I'm going to show where this plugs into the dock. We have the actual dock itself. Nice, cool red ThinkPad coloring on the bottom. And the stealth gray on the top. So there's the top of the dock. And the front of the dock, we've got a USB-C Gen 2 10 gig and a USB-A Gen 2 10 gig as well. And then our audio port, dual Kensington lock on this side, power button on the top. And I think the ThinkPad, the dot lights up when this is turned on. And then on the back, we've got power, we've got this jack here, we've got Thunderbolt, we've got display, and HDMI, and if I remember correctly, it's dual display out, so you can do a display port and then display or HDMI. You can't do all three. I could be wrong on that, but I believe that's how that works. Then we've got another 3 USB-A 10 gig ports. One of them is powered, and then we've got our gigabit Ethernet. Now, the way the power works on this is as follows. I have this plug goes into here and has power and Thunderbolt. And then on this end, this will plug into the actual computer. And on my laptop, it'll actually be, they'll be right beside each other. Actually, I've got it sitting here. So what'll happen is I've got a Thunderbolt connection. You can see here I got a Thunderbolt and power. So when I plug them in, they actually go side by side and connect together. Now the cool part is, on top of that, for my work laptop, you see what I did there? It's got a little clip, little magnetic clip. So for my work laptop, I don't need this, I only need this because it's a ThinkPad T14s. So this will give me my power for that. And then when I'm Workstation, I get that. Now, what to make that work in terms of power delivery will require you to have a pretty decent power supply, which is why this dock, much like all the previous generation Workstation docks from Lenovo, will come with a power brick. And this is the biggest power brick I've ever had for a ThinkPad before, a 300 watt power supply. I have had a 230 watt power supply for my P71 and I have for my P1 here. I've never had a 300 watt power supply before, but this 300 watt power supply will plug in to the dock like so, and it will give my power for the dock and power delivery for my workstation. So I only need this one umbilical cable to plug in for my workstation, and then just the Thunderbolt cable when I'm plugging in to my work ThinkPad. So I can just do the swap back and forth when I'm at work and when I'm at not work. Yeah, so that's it. That's the whole look at the dock here. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm going to spend some time figuring out the best way to get this mounted up on the wall behind my desk, get everything all plugged in and up and running, and should be a good little project over the next night or two to get that all working properly. So I hope you enjoyed taking a quick look doing this unboxing for this product. As always, I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and we'll catch you in the next one.